Good morning, traders. It's Pete here. Welcome back. This will be a great video. We will see how to use order flow to identify reversal trends. When I understood this trick, my win rate drastically increased. I underlined the importance of using the order flow with volumes by seeing the trades inside the candles to really understand why the price moves and reacts in a certain area. If you understand the logic behind the candles, all the techniques, all the patterns, strategies will be clearer, because the logic is always the same. It doesn't matter if you are using ICT concepts, DR or IDR breaking blocks, fair value gap strategy, view up, Elliott, or I don't know, three-way patterns, etc, etc, etc. These are all price mechanics that you have to learn by heart. But I mean, have you ever wondered why the price is moving in a certain way? If you understand this, all these strategies will be clearer. And you can only understand these concepts, this logic, with the volumes, the contracts, the order flow, on the footprint chart stuff. It doesn't matter the time frame. It depends on what type of trader you want to be, but the market is fractal, so the logic is the same from weekly to 50 seconds. So trend reversal. So let's suppose this is the trend. Okay, this is the common way to see a trend reversal. Okay, so let's suppose we are like this. Okay, so okay, so this is how, I mean, in the trading theory show us a trading reversal. If we want to consider price action, we know that as price breaks the structure here, the last low, the lower low, okay, makes a new lower low, then retrace. This is what ICT calls break a block. So where is this? Is break a block. Okay, so price react here, and then we usually get the trade here, okay, to go short, okay, with stop loss above the break a block, 1, 3, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so this is a classical mechanic that we retail traders are try to memorize, okay, and use it during the trading day. But what if we know exactly what is going on here, okay, inside all this area, okay, and if we see a clear movement, a clear value that tells us that we really have broken the structure and we really get a reversal. Okay, so if you use a footprint chart, you can understand, you can have much more edge on the market, because everything is much more clearer. For example, why this is the breaker block? I mean, what's happened here? What's happened to this movement? Okay, so why we have this huge movement that have been violated with the next one? What's happened here? First of all, in this movement, that could be a 1 minute candle, a 15-minute candle, no matter the time frame, I repeat, but I want to see climax. What does it mean? In this case, a bullish climax. The most part of trend reversal take place during the middle or the beginning of session, in which we have huge amount of contracts of volume. Okay, so smart money traders want everybody to believe that with a huge movement on the upside, with huge contracts all inside this movement, okay, let us to think that price is moving up, okay, because we have a huge quantity of aggressive buyers inside here, okay. So when we see something like this, in which we have a strong displacement here, okay, we'll see, okay, prices is moving up, okay, we have huge quantity of buyers inside here, so price now probably will retrace just a little bit, okay, and then go higher, okay. And that's exactly, this is exactly what lots of the times happen when this is a classic momentum trade, continuation trade, okay. But if price is moving here, okay, violating this strong bullish aggression, what you have to wonder is why we have so many buyers inside here but price is moving down, okay. This is exactly what I mean, when you see a movement like this, you have to wonder why, okay. And is the first alarm bell, okay, that you have to keep in mind, and you have to start to consider a bearish inversion, a bearish trade. Obviously, this is a pattern that a classic, I mean, Quasimodo pattern, I suppose. This is the name, but it doesn't. I mean, it happens a lot of the times, but only a few times it means that we are in front of reversal, and you have to. It must happen when we are inside the supply zone. In this case, okay, a strong resistance area. If we talk about a bearish trade or liquidity, buy side liquidity, for example, okay. Where is liquidity? Sorry, here, okay. So in this case, we have to consider a strong bearish trade. So I don't use TradingView anymore because I use a Footprint or order flow platform, but also with TradingView it's possible to do this. For example, this is a trade that I took yesterday, okay. We have cumulative delta volume at the bottom here. So look at this displacement here, okay, this huge impulse. This is a clear institution movement, okay. We have huge quantity of sellers right here, okay. So when you see this, the first thing that I understand, that I think is, okay, price is reaching as a retrace, testing again the origin of the impulse, okay, and to go short again. That's exactly what price did, okay. But look at this candle here. This is a bearish climax, okay. I know that because I saw on the order flow. So inside here we have a huge amount of sellers that want price to go down, okay. This candle that broke the structure, broke the last bearish climax, and we have convergence with CDV. So also the CDV broke the structure, okay. The same structure have been broken by CVD as well here, okay. So we have convergence between the price and the CDV. Here we have fair value gap. What is a fair value gap? A fair value gap is a magnet for the price. In this case, I mean, a fair value gap could be an empty volume or an empty volume zone in which we have no contracts, okay, so price quickly move away, okay, or can be a huge quantity, a huge amount of volume, in this case a bullish buyer's volumes, okay, that can be retested to see if the bullish volumes are confirmed, are strong enough to push the price away. We have divergence on CDV. Okay, this is a clear signal that price wanted to grab all the untested volumes here, okay, to push the price at the recent high that create this huge impulse. Okay, this is another bearish climax, and once price broke this climax here and on the CDV as well, we had another trade. We have a fair value gap here. It means that buyers is we have a buyer's aggression here. Okay, price test the 50% as here of the imbalance and move price and then push up again. This is a pattern that it repeats constantly and every day in the market. Here as well we have a bullish climax, okay, bullish climax that have been broken here, huge displacement, price create a fair value gap, the price tested and then move down again. So if you backtest this pattern inside a potential reaction zone, you have a very good hedge. So let's have a look on a footprint chart. So okay, I don't want to take yeah, let's take a casual day. Okay, we are 15th of November. I don't know what is going on here. Obviously we don't have here any daily bias. We don't know what price is going to do. We don't have any macro structure, anything, okay, which is something that is not good, because if you don't know what price is probably going to do, if you don't have a daily bias, you probably going to lose a lot of money. Just take a look at the footprint chart and try to understand the logic using only the footprint, okay, and let's see how price is reacting at the climax. For example, here we are 952, okay, so US is open in 20 minutes, by 20 minutes, so this is 600 delta, bearish delta. So look at the past values. There is no 650, okay, so this is a clear signal. We have a clear bearish climate structure. We have a clear seller's aggression. What does it mean? It means that until I see price closing above this structure, this level, okay, from which all this climax started, all this movement started, there is no reason by which I have to consider a long trade. Okay, the yellow numbers you see are all imbalances, so strong movement, strong bearish aggression. Here as well, 530. So let's underline all this level. I repeat, I don't know what price is going to do. I don't remember this day, so just a casual day. So let's see. Okay, now price is here with this candle, is breaking this climate structure. Okay, so now it's the time to consider along until we see, we don't have any bearish climax between this candle. So yes, this is time to consider along. Okay, we have this fair value gap. Okay, and let's have a look at the bearish imbalances in the past, especially the ones that generate the ones inside the climax candle. So here, for example, this all the way down here. Okay, so inside here, as you can see, price tries lots of time to break these imbalances here. Okay, so this is a huge cluster zone. I repeat, I don't know what's the daily bias. I don't know what is the macro structure direction, but I could suppose that if price is going to retest the zone, probably it will react. Okay, because the strength of these sellers is broken. Okay, here. So this is a good zone. This became a bullish zone from which price could react. Let's have a look. Okay, as you can see, price reacted here very good. Okay, so for example, a trade could be this one. When you see this reaction at the top of this candle, closing this candle, we enter the trade. We stop loss just here, or at the top at the bottom of the cluster, targeting the high, for example. Okay, look at the previous bearish climax structure that had been broken as well. So we have now a bullish bias. Okay, bullish momentum. Look at the green one. Maybe you don't see the number. This is 450. Okay, that broke this climax, broke this climax. Okay, this aggression, this is not a climax, broke this bearish climax, and we have a fair value gap here. Okay, we have a fair value gap here, and let's have a look to the imbalances. We have imbalances here and here and here as well. Look, this is a beautiful pattern. Okay, because we have sellers get trapped. So this is probably the last level from which my bullish momentum, my bullish bias, it gets invalidated, because this pattern tells me that that all sellers, there is a huge amount of aggressive sellers that try to push price down, but they were not able to. Okay, and became the trap of sellers. So from this imbalances inside the fair value gap, these imbalances to these imbalances and to the trap of seller, this is another zone to long. Okay, ICT says that this is a breaker block, and it's right. But why this is a breaker block? Why we have to enter here if the first cluster that we do have is here? We are a 1 minute time frame, but this concept is obviously good for any time frame. So let's move forward and look at here. So now we are bullish. Okay, bearish climax, this 600. Look how many bearish imbalances we have here. Look, so here as well. So you have to wonder, we have lots of aggressive sellers here. Why price is not moving down with this huge quantity of sellers? Simply because these are all trap sellers. Okay, that get absorbed with this candle. Okay, that here on the CDV as well, on the price as well, get absorbed, price CDV broke the structure here. Okay, look at here. Price is structure is broken here and is broken here as well. So convergence, not divergence, convergence. Price and cumulative delta volume are telling the same thing. I enter here. Okay. Now then, price is moving down. Okay, I remember when I saw price, when I see price closing below this candle, my bullish analysis has been broken, has been invalidated, and that's what it happens. And it happens here when you see a body of the candle closing below this level, and in fact price re-enter in the same zone, takes these imbalances here and go down again. Okay, where is now the bearish climax to break is 4 under 16, 4 under 73 with these huge imbalances. This one, okay, this is the new bearish climax structure, and so on. Let's take a look on the day after. Sorry, I don't want to see where price is going. We have to start 9:30, but you know, so here, so price is consolidating here. Okay, look at here. We have absorption. The pink box is red box. I don't know the color you see it, but it's always absorption. So this is a good. I mean, 9:30. You see this huge absorption could be a good signal to go long for the whole day, but we don't know. Okay, we don't know the bias. We have imbalances here, and when price is breaking this imbalances, this climax here, so then move down, we are inside the US opening. Finally, yeah, it gets a bullish climax. Let's see what price is doing. Is bullish. So when you see after this huge movement, when you start to see imbalances, bullish imbalances in the very premium zone, I want to see the aggression, the bullish aggression. I want to see here. So when price is starting to break the range, I want to see bullish here, aggression here. Here I want to see bullish imbalances. Okay, so I know that here probably price is going to break the range, but when I see imbalances here after this huge, I mean, I tend to think that I want to see the strength here, not here. Okay, this probably is a beginning of a trend reversal when we will see price closing below the bullish climax, which is this one. Okay, 300 and of delta, which is probably the usual. Okay, we have this one, we have this one, but as you can see, we have 300 is a very high value for this session. Okay, because the average will be 150 more or less. Okay, in terms of delta values. Okay, so we have to wait for the price to break the structure, and where is broken? Here. And we have this huge fair value gap over here. Okay, I will not enter here. Why? Because we have this imbalance. Okay, with this, the same concept I told you before. This is buyers that get absorbed, trapped buyers. Here we have trapped buyers. Okay, I will probably this is a second manipulation. Okay, I will probably get the stop loss here, but price then is moving down, and to be honest, this is a mistake, because price did not until here, until we see price breaking the bullish climax structure. We are long, we are bullish. Now we are bearish. Okay, because price closing it below the bullish climax structure. So if I was enter here, I'm wrong. Okay, so now we are bullish. Where is the cluster? Is from here to here. So my trade will be this one. Okay, targeting where? Targeting the probably here when price is when price broke this range, so more or less here. Okay, with a huge 3.2 risk to reward. Look at this climax. Price broke this climax here, create a fair value gap here in which we don't have any imbalances. Okay, so, and we have a fair value gap with huge imbalances here, so just wait for the price to reach the zone, to reach the premium zone. Then is moving down. We can delete this one. Okay, look at here, same old story. As price is ending the impulse, okay, in the very discount zone, start to create these imbalances, and you have to wonder why here. Why here? Okay, but is going down yet? It's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Look at here. Okay, we have 574, which is the huge delta value we have in the whole session. So this is my bearish climax structure. Okay, we have to wait for the price to break the climax to go long, and price broke the structure here. Here is going down, is going up, creating this fair value gap. Okay, in which we have this climax, this imbalances, in which we have this imbalances. I don't see any trapped sellers. I don't see sellers get a stroke. Oh yes, yeah, sorry. Okay, so here I see trapped sellers, okay, that get absorbed. So to be honest, the wall zone is this one, which is huge. So when I see a huge zone like this, I just wait for the price to make another confirmation, which is could be a volumetric engulfing or just another engulfing of the price. So to be honest, in this scenario, I want to see imbalances. Yes. Okay, my entry was this one because, yes, we know that we are bullish here. Okay. I am a conservative trader. I don't want to be aggressive. And that's the reason why I miss a lot of trade, to be honest. But I don't care. I want to have the less drawdown as possible. So when I see a huge zone like this, I just wait for the price to retest the premium zone, sorry, the discount zone, because we are bullish. And so at least a 50%, okay, of the zone, and then I wait another confirmation. Okay, why I have to wait another confirmation? Because this climax, this aggression that broke my climax is not valid anymore, because price broke on the other side the aggression here, the candle that in which we have the aggression. Okay, so bullish scenario is still valid until we see price closing below this candle, but we have to wait another trigger. Okay, and that's the reason why I enter here and targeting the higher high probably, which is this one. Okay, price go up and then go down. Here probably is a break even trade, and price finally broke this low and go down without knowing which is the climax, which is, sorry, the daily bias. Oh, look at here, I didn't remember this delta. So I repeat, I don't know what price is going to do. Okay, but when I see 1149 delta of this candle, this is a climax. Okay, so the highest delta values we have is 562. Here we have double. Okay, so this to me is a clear situation. I mean, price can make a huge movement, a huge bearish movement. Okay, or if it will break this structure, it will go up. Okay, I'm pretty much sure, because this is huge. This is a very clear value. Okay, and it is, I mean, or a strong aggression to move price on the lows, or it's clear manipulation in which we do have trapped sellers and price going up. We don't know this until we have price closing below this candle or above this candle. So, or below this low or above this high. And price is closing above this high. And look how huge is this bullish aggression. We have lots of aggressive buyers here. Look how green is. Okay. So I'm pretty much sure that this is the best setup we do have. And it's perfect, and probably too perfect, because I see a strong bullish reaction here. So I don't know if price will price will retest the zone, because we have this we have a lot of volumes over here. So we are 12 in the morning, so it's lunchtime. Just to be, I'm curious, sorry, I just want to see if price is going to retest, because I don't remember, to be honest, this day. So I just want to see if price is going to retest the zone. No, it's moving up. Okay, so no trade here, but you understand the logic. Look, yeah, 5-minute time frame. Look, this is beautiful. I mean, we have bearish climate structure invalidated here. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, a possible entry will be this one. So guys, it's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below. I remember you to join my Discord group, in which you have everyday free trading ideas. You have a future volume course, you have CFD course, you have my backtest with the journal, everything for free. Hope you appreciate this. And so that's pretty much it. See you next video. Thank you.